436, we have a 1050 rollover, semi blocking both lanes. Expedite fire. We got lane shut down. Get out! Get out!
He's at the 85, correct?
85, westbound.
Where are we gonna go?
10-4.
Are you okay? You can't. Are you okay? Can you,
We gotta get out.
stay here for your protection, okay? Help coming. Twelve 436. Got one vehicle, 2 occupants, 1085 Bravo Charlie.
10-4.
Can you? All right, just stay right here, okay? I need you to talk to each other and keep each other awake, okay?
339, are you involved as well?
Affirm, my vehicle got rear-ended, but I wasn't in it.
339, copy. Can you advise 173 if he's not aware already?
10-4, 173, do you copy?
I copy, I'm in route.
12436, semi is in the median. It is on fire, and we have small explosions going off.
10-4.
Semi appears have been transporting eggs. Are you okay?
957.
You're okay?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else inside the vehicle?
No.
Okay. Why don't you come over here? Come across the road, okay?
Two of us.